Hi, today I will tell you how to change any background of an object in Photoshop. There are so many ways to change the background of an object. First way, here we have a lasso tool. This third one, you go right click and choose magnetic lasso tool. Then click Alt, zoom in, and then click left click on the mouse, and then complete until you finish this, like this, this, until you finish all the body. And this is the hardest way. You can do you can select the subject, and also it's not so accurate, so you may lose some things in the subject. Complete. And then you to get the image again, you can click on this hand 2 times, like this. You selected it, but this is the hardest way. There's two other ways. The first one is select subject. Select subject will be useful when you have only one object. If you have more than one subject, it wouldn't be accurate like that. Then I can move it anyway with the moving tool, and that's the second way. This is the easiest way, but only if you have one subject. And this is the second way. Also you can get it from object selection tool, or you can click W if you want to get it. And then you click select and mask. This is if you have more than one object, or you want to remove the background and only keep the object. Click one click and drag the mouse, but don't stop clicking. Just keep your hand on the left mouse click. After that, like this, we are finished. Then click the move tool. You can take any picture if you want, but I will use this picture right now. Left click, get it out, then bring the move tool, choose the subject. And if you want to make it smaller, you can click Control T or Command T for MacBook. Like this, make it smaller. Like this, you put it. But first, you have to click T. Then, when you make it smaller, after you make it smaller, you have to click on the check mark right here. Like this, you change the background of any subject. Thank you for watching. See you next video.